everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about add layers of security to your cloud networks. Cloud networks offer a number of advantages over traditional on-premises networks, including scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. However, they also introduce new security challenges. Layer 1, Network Segmentation. Network segmentation is the process of dividing your network into smaller, isolated segments. This helps to contain the spread of malware and other threats if they do manage to breach your network. You can segment your cloud network using a variety of methods, such as virtual data clouds, VPCs, or isolated networks within the cloud that you can create and manage. Subnets. Subnets are a smaller division of VPCs. You can use subnets to further isolate your network and to implement different security policies for different types of traffic. Security groups. Security groups are firewalls rules that you can apply to VPCs and subnets. They can be used to control which traffic is allowed to flow into and out of your network. Layer 2, Network Security Devices. In addition to network segmentation, you can also use network security devices to protect your cloud network. These devices can provide a variety of security features, such as firewalls. Firewalls can be used to block unauthorized traffic from entertaining or leaving your network. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. IDS or IPS systems can monitor your network traffic for suspicious activity and block or alert you to potential attackers. Web application firewalls. WAFs can be used to protect your web applications from specific types of attacks, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Layer 3, Identify and Access Management. IAM is the process of managing who has access to your cloud resources and what they can do with them. It's important to implement strong IAM controls to prevent unauthorized access to your cloud network. Most cloud providers offer built-in IAM features. You can use these features to create and manage user accounts, groups, and roles. You can also use IAM to grant or deny permissions to specific resources. Layer 4, Data Encryption. Data encryption is a process of converting data into an unreadable format. This helps to protect your data from unauthorized access even if it is compromised. You can encrypt your data at rest or in transit. Encryption at rest encrypts your data while it is stored or cloud storage devices. Encryption in transit encrypts your data while it is being transmitted over the network. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.